After given such information and experiencing, we request them to go on their own for the second time. Because during the first time it happens that yes, we are not having any experience, there are some disturbances because of our instructions or some words, suggesting them something. With the guidance, with the instructions, some sort of, they have counted 100 such movements. They came to the conclusion that their breathing rate goes at 6. Just for example, I am taking. Everybody's breathing rate may differ. We don't ask them to count in terms of the seconds, minutes and seconds, roughly minutes. When we request them to go on their own for the second time, if they are having some time on that day, because during discussion, because sharing of the experiences and all these, perhaps 1 hour you have. If they are having some time and if they are really willing to go for, we request them to go for the second time. And you will not believe, most of the persons, particularly those are having some stress factor in their life. And if they are doing it sincerely, honestly, they fall in sleep. Normally it takes about 6 to 7 minutes time to complete 100 seconds. And when we find that he is going in the same position, he is in the same position, palms are onto the abdomen, it is going on, and breathing goes on, and we generally experience, observe keenly how the breathing goes. Is there any disturbance to the breathing rate? And if there are no disturbances, we say that yes, he is totally involved in counting the breaths. If the breathing rhythm gets disturbed, after 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, if he comes up on his own, or if he has gone to sleep, we make him aware, make him awake. And then just inquire with them. Was there any diversion of your mind from the breath? So they surprised how it had happened that we are observed his mind going somewhere else. And we tell them, breathing and your mental activities or the thinking, both of them go hand in hand. Faster the breathing rate, greater the thought process, or the faster the thought process. Just observe. And if one might have been gone for sleep, then we tell them, this is the first day experience that in what manner you are getting yourself totally relaxed, fall in this. We say awareness and the simplicity in this method. Go on observing the body reflexes. Go on counting the breath and observe whether the breathing goes in a rhythmic way and mostly naturally. One thing, whenever we are thinking about the breathing and try to get it consciously, what is our breathing rate, then mind dabbles into the process of breathing because they are linked together, mind and the body. And the breathing rate disturbs. It happens many times in the beginning, but is in position. Here's the point. It reduces such possibilities. And all such things are kept before the person, before the aspirant. He is getting some satisfaction. Yes, I could understand something more on the very first day. And this process continues so long as the person coming to the class. Because the practice, some conditioning takes place and he is led to some other different postures, but that is not the object to go for the posture. Objective is to experience the breathing, assessing its rhythm or the breathing rate, and through that just check up the mind. How many times our mind gets diverted from our basic objective in different positions, same principle goes. We will be just going for the methodology of the postural practices. So now we will stop. Thank you.